In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post your rentals on multiple platforms. 2025, step by step. We'll start by choosing the right platforms for your rental. Then I'll walk you through a concrete example on Airbnb so you can see exactly what to click and how to set things up confidently. First, decide where your listing should live. Think about your rental type and the audience you want to reach. Short-term vacation stays tend to do well on Airbnb and Vrbo, while travelers booking hotels and apartments often browse booking.com. If you're targeting mid-term stays like traveling professionals or students, Furnished Finder is a strong option. It's totally fine to start with 2 platforms and expand later. Just keep in mind local regulations, taxes, and any platform fees so you're setting realistic expectations from the start. Now let's try Airbnb as our example. Open your browser, head to Google, and search for Airbnb. In the results, click the official site that reads Airbnb, vacation rentals, cabins, beach houses, and more. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Become a Host option and click it. You'll land on a page that explains how easy it is to get started. Click Get Started. From here, you'll move through a simple flow by clicking Next to progress. When you're asked which option best describes your place, pick the structure that most closely matches your property, like apartment, house, or unique stay. Click Next. Next, you'll see the question, what type of place will guests have? Choose whether guests get the entire place, a private room, or a shared room. This affects guest expectations and pricing, so choose carefully. Click Next again. You'll then be prompted with, where's your place located? Click into the location field and enter your address. Make sure the map pin is accurate and that you confirm any on-screen suggestions to standardize the address properly. After that, follow the next steps on Airbnb setup. The flow will guide you through room and bed details, amenities, house rules, photos, your listing title and description, pricing, calendar availability, and verification. A few tips as you go: use bright, high-resolution photos with good lighting, list amenities accurately, highlight unique features in the first 2 lines of your description, and set pricing based on comparable listings in your area. Keep your calendar up to date, and consider enabling instant booking only if you can confidently manage it. Once your Airbnb listing is live, repeat a similar process on Vrbo and booking.com so your rental appears in multiple places. Keep your details consistent across platforms and consider syncing calendars to reduce the risk of double bookings. That's it. Your multi-platform strategy is underway.